In this video, I want to show you how to use check2.R in order to make sure that your submission follows the at least surface specifications. It's not necessarily going to be correct because it passes the tests, but at least we're making sure that you're doing vaguely the right thing. So here's what you need to do before you submit on Blackboard. That is really important. So in check2.R, you need to change the first line, and this is going to be the location of the actual submission2.R that you have. So in my case, if I click on files here, I can see that I saved my submission, my mock submission, submission2.R, into home desktop SML201 autograde try. So this is my username on the Mac. It's going to be similar on a PC. So on a PC, it would look something like, if it's on the desktop, C users and then the username and then desktop. So that's what it's going to look like on a PC. On a Mac, it's going to look like this. Again, if you're saving it in a folder that's on the desktop. So change that to the location of submission2.R. And once you have that, you are ready to say source, like so. When you do that, you sometimes might encounter an error. So this error means that you did not return the value that was expected. So the expected value for num2 GP of 98 was 4.33, but you returned something different. So you can go to your submission and try to fix that. So here, actually, this is a mock submission. I'm not actually showing you the solutions. So I'm just returning the same number every time, and it's not the number that corresponds to an A+, so you need to change it to port 4.33. So I'll do it now. Now I'll go back to check2.R and I'll say source. So now it says that all the basic checks were passed. So make sure, please, to write your names, so your last and first name here in a comment, and also your net IDs, assign them to the variables netid.1 and student.netid.2. Make sure that this line is also there. That will be checked for you automatically. And of course, make sure to write the actual functions and not the mock functions that I wrote here. After check2.R prints this, you are not necessarily good to submit because you might like to run all sorts of other checks as well, but you know that at least you got the names of the functions right, and sometimes they return the right values. Good luck.